Let's explore smart AI tools that simplify work, automate tasks, spark creativity, and help you move faster with clear explanations, practical tips, and real workflows. So here's the thing. Most people are still using AI like it's 2023, typing prompts, getting text, and then doing the rest manually. But Genspark flips that completely. It's not just answering questions, it's helping you execute entire workflows from start to finish. And instead of constantly switching between tools, Genspark brings everything together into one AI workspace. Let's start with something most people struggle with: presentations. You know the drill. You spend hours building slides, fixing layouts, searching for images, and it still doesn't look polished. Sound familiar? Now, here's what I did. I gave Genspark one simple prompt. Create a launch presentation for a new product with marketing strategy and rollout plan. And that's it. Within minutes, it didn't just generate text. It built a full presentation. Clean layout, proper structure, visual hierarchy, even an executive summary. And this is where it gets interesting. You don't need to tell it how many slides to make or how to structure everything. It figures that out for you like a real creative collaborator. Even better, you can edit slides using AI, change the entire design style, fact-check the content automatically. So instead of spending 5 hours building slides, you spend 5 minutes refining them. Now this one honestly feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's say you need to call a business, check availability, ask questions, make a booking. Normally, you'd have to stop what you're doing and make the call yourself. With Genspark, you can just type, call this store and check if they have this product in stock. And it actually makes the call for you. It navigates phone menus, waits for a human, speaks naturally, asks your questions, and then gives you a summary afterward. In the demo example, it even handled a full conversation with a store employee and came back with detailed information, not just a yes or no answer. Now, yeah, it's not perfect yet. Sometimes it interrupts or gets slightly awkward, but the fact that it works at all, that's insane.
Thanks for calling Apple Fifth Avenue. Calls are recorded and transcribed to train personnel, ensure quality, improve contact center technologies, and evaluate customer satisfaction.
I'm an automated system that can handle complete sentences. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm Finn, an AI calling for Efren to check your stock for the MacBook Pro M5 Max.
I can get you to someone in our sales area. Would this be for home or business use?
Home use.
Oh, you don't have to press numbers. You can just talk to me like you would to a real person. Is this product for home or business use?
Now let's talk about something super practical. Imagine you have a messy idea, notes in your phone, or a rough business concept. Normally, turning that into something polished, like a proposal or business document, takes hours. But with Genspark AI Docs, you can literally say, turn this into a professional investment proposal, and it builds structured sections, clean formatting, business-level writing, professional document design. It's not just writing, it's organizing and presenting the information for you. So instead of thinking to writing, to formatting, to editing, it becomes thinking to refine to done. And honestly, this is where Genspark starts feeling less like a chatbot and more like a true workflow partner. Now here's a feature I ended up using more than I expected. Instead of typing, I simply opened Speakly and started talking. Okay, so next week I'm planning to make a video about AI tools that actually save people time at work. I don't want to focus on flashy features or marketing claims. I want to highlight practical tools that content creators, freelancers, and small business owners can start using right away to become more productive. I'd also like to organize the information into a simple structure, including the main benefits of each tool, a few real-world examples, and a clear conclusion. The goal is to create something that's easy to turn into a video outline or presentation later. I wasn't carefully writing a prompt, I was just explaining my idea the way I normally would. A few seconds later, Speakly cleaned everything up automatically. It removed the filler words, organized my thoughts into clear paragraphs, and turned a rough voice note into something that actually looked ready to use. And that's what makes it useful. Sometimes your ideas move faster than your fingers. Instead of stopping to type everything out, you can just speak naturally and let Speakly handle the formatting and cleanup for you. Then I took that polished text and sent it directly into Genspark. From there, Genspark could use it as the foundation for presentation, a research task, or even a complete project. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, it can save a surprising amount of time. Now here's something most people don't realize. Genspark doesn't rely on just one AI model. Instead, it combines top-tier models like GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.7, Seedance V2, and then merges the strongest parts of each response to improve the final output. So instead of relying on a single AI response, you get a more refined, higher quality result. The trade-off: it can sometimes take slightly longer, but if you care more about quality and depth than raw speed, this is a big deal. Now step back for a second. Right now, most people are paying separately for tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, and multiple other AI platforms and constantly switching between them. Genspark is trying to unify that experience into one workspace, one place, one interface, multiple AI agents collaborating together. And instead of just helping you brainstorm, it helps you actually produce the final result faster and more efficiently. That's what makes this feel different. Genspark basically turns AI into something that actively collaborates with you instead of just chatting with you. And that shift is bigger than it looks. So if you want to try it yourself, sign up to get free credits using the link in the description or bio. And comment Genspark if you want more videos covering powerful AI tools like this.